Welcome to day 4 of the detox. Today is about being brave warriors. So move fiercely on your mat. Be strong, powerful from within. To begin, start at the front of your mat, feet separated inner hip distance. Shift the weight from the heels of your feet to the balls. Find a center ground. Being brave means finding your foundation. In a side bend, reach the arms up overhead, lift up and over to the right side. Inhale back to center and then take it over to the left. And back to center. You're going to interlace your hands, flip the palms up. Root down through the balls of your feet, elevate the heels. So engage the quads, the glutes, the core. Press firmly up through those palms. Lower the heels down, take a forward fold. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, plant the palms, step back to a plank position. We're going to hold this. So if you have the balls of your feet, engage the quads, have a strong core. Straight arms, steady gaze. Shift your way forward, lower the knees, lower halfway. Coming up to a cobra, inhale. And you're going to press all the way up and back. Downward facing dog, exhale. And ground the feet. Lift the right leg to the sky in the inhale. And you step forward to a lunge position. Place the foot between the hands. Inhale, arms rise overhead. And a cactus the arms, exhale. Then take the arms all the way down by your side. Lean halfway so your back leg is parallel to your torso. Draw shoulder blades together. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hands lower to the mat. Step back, down dog split, right leg to the sky. Shift forward to a plank, keep that leg lifted. Then lower it down, lower to your low push-up. Upward dog on the inhale. Downward facing, exhale. You're going to lift the left leg on the inhale. Step the left foot between your hands. Gaze forward, ground, and then reach the arms up overhead, high lunge. Cactus the arms to take them down by your side. And then lean halfway forward, hovering the chest. Right, so again, we're parallel with that back leg, strong through the entire base of the body. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, hands down to the mat. Step back, left leg high, down dog split. Inhale, shift forward, drop that left foot, take it to your low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath. And then as you bend those knees, look forward and step your way to the front of the mat. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend the knees. Keep straightening in the spine. And then start to extend the legs out all the way. Option to lift those heels away from the mat. Stay strong. Lower those heels back down. Raise the arms all the way up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center, down by your side. Inhale, arms reach up. Interlace the hands, side bend right. Same as before. Inhale, back up. And over to the left. Inhale back to center, interlace the hands, palm face up. Press down through the balls of the feet, elevate those heels. And we're engaged the entire body. And then drop the heels down, take a forward fold. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, step your left foot back. Step your right foot back, plank position. Drop your heels and extend your left arm up overhead, side plank. Step that left foot to the middle of the mat. Press firmly down or keep your foot back behind you, staggered feet. Come back through center. Shift forward, low push-up. Upward dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Lift the right leg high. Knee to nose. Just inhale, extend the leg. And exhale, step the right foot between your hands. High lunge on the inhale. Arms extend up. Exhale, sweep them down by your side. Like before, this time we're going to fly forward. Shift the weight into your right foot, bird pose. Elevate the left foot behind you like you're kicking a wall. All right, draw shoulder blades up together. Bend that right knee. Step the left foot to the back of the mat. Inhale, arms rise, high lunge. This transforms into warrior 2. Open on up to the left side. Straight arms here. Steady gaze over the right fingertips. Reverse your warrior on the inhale. Gaze forward or maybe look up at the right hand. And exhale, hands lower down to the mat. Step back, plank. Low push-up, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. As we shift forward to a plank, heels drop to the left this time. Right arm reaches up overhead. Step your right foot to the middle of the mat. Step it on back. And sweep the right arm forward down to the mat. Downward facing dog. Left leg high, inhale, knee to nose one time. Inhale, press it on back. Knee to nose, step the left foot between the hands. Rise all the way up, high lunge. In that prep to fly, arms come down by your side. Lean the weight forward into your left foot. Shift, press, and fly. Being fierce, being brave. Looking out into the unknown, keeping the chest lifted. Now you're going to step the right foot to the back of the mat. High lunge, inhale. And exhale, open, warrior 2. Firm up the core. Draw the feet towards one another. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Coming back through center, hands lower down to the mat, plank position. Low push-up, upward dog, downward facing dog. Look forward, step or hop your way front of the mat. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Same, shift the weight to your heels. Curl those toes up towards your shins. Be up on those fingertips. Be brave to the unknown, to maybe fall. Bend those knees. Inhale, arms up overhead. Hands to heart center. Learning to trust the body. Hands to heart center, reach on up. One more time like this. Side bend to the right. Inhale back to center. Side bend to the left. Inhale back to center. Interlace the hands, palm face up. Press into the toes. Lift the heels. Maybe it's a little easier this third time around. Maybe not. Don't worry if you fall, come right back into it. Lower on down, exhale. Inhale, long spine. Step back, plank position. Now I'm in a full side plank. Heels over to the right. Lift your left arm up to the sky. Gaze down to the side or maybe up at those left fingertips. Come back through center. Shift forward, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Right leg lifts, inhale. Spring knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, stepping forward, high lunge. Inhale, arms up overhead. Interlace the hands, small the back. And maybe the arms are bent, maybe they're straight. Shift forward. Extend the left leg behind you. Right, bird pose with the bind. Steady gaze. Brave. Fierce warrior. Bend that right knee, step it on back. You're going to open up, high lunge to warrior two. Ground your feet, settle. When you're ready, reverse on the inhale. And exhale, setting up in half moon. So you're going to wiggle that back foot in. Ground the right hand down underneath your right shoulder. Same as our flying warrior before, extend the left leg behind you. All right, this time hips, chest open to the left. Lastly, your left arm can extend to the sky. Lower back, the left foot to the back of the mat. Right leg lifts up and behind you, three-legged dog. Bend that knee. Lower the foot down, shift forward to a plank. Low push-up. Upward dog. Downward facing dog. One more side, warriors. Shift forward to a plank. Heels to the left. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Gaze forward or looking up. Come back to center. Press back, down dog. Left leg high, inhale. Knee to nose, one time. Inhale, extend the leg. Step forward, high lunge. Inhale, arms reach up. Bind the hands, small the back. Lift the chest high, inhale. Shift the weight forward into your left foot. Flying warrior bird pose with the bind. Straight of a line as you can imagine. Bending that left leg, ground the back foot, warrior two. Inhale, arms up. And here's where we open, warrior two. Grounding, settling, then reverse on the inhale, reaching that left arm up. Half moon pose, take the left hand out in front of you. Extend the right leg out behind you, stacking your right hip over the left. Right shoulder over the left. Play here with your balance. Part of being brave is okay to fall. Take both hands down to the mat. Step to the front. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, forward folding. Bend the knees. Rise up to the heels. Curl those toes in towards your shins. Maybe this time you're on one fingertip, two fingertips, or maybe play hands to heart. Worst that happens is you fall. Come into chair. Hands to heart center, twist to the right. Left elbow over the right knee. Wring out your spine. Inhale back to center, chair pose. Hands to heart, twist to the left. Inhale back to center. And exhale, come all the way up to standing. Hands to heart, and then down by your side. Being brave today, thanking yourself for being a part of this practice. See you tomorrow in day 5 of the Detox Series.